here, Southern Coast Cooking coming at you. I've been working in my garage this past couple of weekends out back, trying to get the house ready for, peak football season, everything, having people over. I know it looks like a mess right now, but I just got a new ton of lumberjack pellets. Had them all stacked in the garage today. And then, of course, got a cooling system here. But main reason I was shooting this video is because, man, when it comes to cooling the garage, you got to realize, especially if the sun's heating in the garage, your door is just like a heat magnet. So what we went ahead and did a lot of research, and for the money, this is the best thing I found, y'all, is we have got this Reach LLC barrier here, and man, it seems like 59 bucks. Well, it took like 2 kids to do my garage, a larger garage door. But man, it's just, this matting you put on there, super simple. Put on there like just some 3M stickum stuff that comes with it. But man, this garage is so much cooler now, not just because of the AC that I've got, but this initial door. I mean, it's not just burning up. And I can't wait till winter to see how this stuff does, with the heat and the cold. It's supposed to kind of keep the cold out a little bit. But yeah, I talked to my garage door guy came the other day, and I got a new spring put on while I was doing this. And this I didn't do with a new spring. It's just need to be replaced. And this stuff's super lightweight. He was telling me, man, to get these doors sprayed with insulation or something like that, you can be talking about thousands. I mean, this is very, very inexpensive fix. Whether you're down here in the boiling south for the summer heat, or you're up north somewhere and want to keep some of that warmth in your garage in the winter. So we'll test it that way too. But anyway, I just wanted to show you all this as I continue my garage project here. I'm replacing the refrigerators here. I'm replacing my whole ice machine. Something happened with it, and I don't really know. It worked for a little while and did great. Then it just kicked off and it just didn't want to do something. So I'm going a different direction. I'll tell you all more about that when I get that hooked up. But anyway, yeah. God bless. Y'all please like my videos, sub my channel. I'm going to have some new cooking videos coming up to you this week, y'all.